Okay, well, it looks like now you want to go ahead and include video in your new blogs. I can help you with that. I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you want to go to YouTube. That's where I go to store my videos. As you can see, I'm already logged in. If you don't have an account, you will need to make an account here. It's fairly simple. Usually it attaches all of your different accounts with Google together. You can have them match. What you want to do is click on your own name over here on the left hand side. This pulls up your video link with all your videos that you've uploaded, and you want to click up here at the top of the center where it says upload. Okay, you're going to come in here and you're going to select a file. You can select also at this point whether it's going to be a public file, an unlisted file, or a private file. Public means that anybody can find it at any time. Unlisted means that it's out there, but you have to know what the URL is to find the video. This is good for private videos that you will only want to show on your blog. Public means that it's searchable on the YouTube system. And private means that you have to be logged in to see it, and only those people that you say can see it can see it. So I always do mine as public. I'm going to select a file. Let's see. Got a couple of videos in here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. I'm not actually going to upload this video because it takes a little while. But as you can see, it's going to take a few minutes. While this is going right here, you can see that there's a link right here that says your video will be live at, and you click that. All right. This shows you a page where it's not really available yet, but this is the page that you can send people to. So if you know that people are going to be checking their emails or anything like that for a little while, you can share this page. But I'm showing you how to put this into your Empower Network blog, so you can get the share link now. If you come down here to this tabbing area where it says share, this gives you the link that you would actually send people to connect to YouTube to be able to see the video. But if you come over here to this tab section where it says embed, this code here is what you're looking for. You can select the different size videos. Come in here and you're going to copy this, and then you're going to go to your Empower Network blog. I usually take the long way to get to my back office, simply because it's just easier to just type that in. I do have these things bookmarked. Once you're inside of your back office, your link to blogging can be found in any of these tabs. Now you're going to create a new post. So you're going to add new under the posts menu. And in here, you're going to give this a title. We're going to call it My First Video. Now down here, there are two separate tabs. There's visual and text. Since we're going to be pasting what's called HTML into here, we want to use text. We're going to click on paste, and this is exactly what we pulled out of the file of the page over on YouTube. We're going to click on visual again, and you can see how the Empower Network blog has made a space for that video, so you know how big it's going to be and where it's going to go. Now here we can start doing an intro. All right, you can use your cursor keys to move around. You can use the mouse to click. Just make sure you don't highlight the whole thing, click on delete, because it goes away. So come back in here, paste again, go to visual, clicking on the far left hand side, going to hit the return key. It moves it down a little bit. This is a video about how I got started. I hope this encourages you, as no one could possibly have had a rougher time than me. Wink, smile. Now, once this is done, you've got the video title, you've got the introduction, you've got the actual video in here. You click on publish. One of the nice things about YouTube is that it keeps track of whether your upload is done or not right up here in the tab. So I can click on this and come over here and go, oh yeah, look at that, it's still uploading. I still have 5 minutes until that's done. But if you come over here to view, you can see that the actual video itself is available to be viewed through your blog. This box here is where that video will show up. It's not there yet because it's still uploading. So if you were to click this, it would just say, I'm sorry, that video is not available. But if you go back to the main page and click on any of my other videos, like this one here, you can see that this one already preloads with the main shot, and you can press play. And it'll start playing directly here in the Empowered Network blog. This is kind of key for me. I want people to stay on my blog while they are watching the video. I don't want them going back over to YouTube. My links, my connections here are on this page. I really don't have much over on my YouTube blog to get back here other than coming to the site and then going back to the video. So I want them to stay here. On this page here, this is where the video is uploading. You can add different titles, descriptions, tags. Tags are like SEO keywords. This title is kind of important because it tells whoever wants to see your video exactly what's going to be on in the content. So it's kind of like the title of a blog post. It becomes keywords and descriptive. The tags are basically just keywords. It tells the YouTube system where to file this particular video in its search. Description gives more details as to what it is that you want to put up there. Customize your message. If you have these things clicked here, it'll share automatically with these systems using your login information. You can update the message so that it says something specific, or you can use their generic message. I don't know what that looks like. Down here where it says video thumbnails, after this is done uploading and being optimized, you'll get a choice of 3 different screen captures from the video, and you can choose that one as the thumbnail that shows up. So if I were to reload this page here, you'd be able to see what the thumbnail was that I chose for this. This particular part of the video, sometimes it comes up with some strange choices for the thumbnails, simply because it's the computer deciding at a certain point in time what to choose. So you can also custom the thumbnail. So if you had gone through your video and decided, oh, I like this shot, this is what I want everybody to see first, you can take a screen capture of that. Go see my Jing tutorial on how to pull up a screen capture, and then you can use the custom thumbnail. And once that's all done, you just click on Save Changes, and when the video is done uploading, it will show up on your blog right in the spot that you said that you wanted it to show up. This is a great tool, being able to move forward instead of having to wait for the upload, simply because you can move on to the next blog post. Once you're done setting everything up, you published it, go on to the next blog post, and then you can go back and use my syndication video to syndicate it later. Well, thank you very much for listening to me today, and hopefully this helps you a lot.